Xoom Login. Welcome to our tutorial on Xoom Login. Xoom is a fast and secure way to send money, pay bills, and reload phones from anywhere in the world. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to log into your Xoom account so you can access all its features and services. So for this, let's get started. Open your default web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Xoom Login and hit enter. Tap on the official sign-in link provided in the search results. You will be directed to the official Xoom login page. Here, you will have the option to log into your account using PayPal or directly with your Xoom credentials. If you are using Xoom directly, enter your registered email address in a designated field. Next, enter your password associated with your Xoom account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password link to reset it. And if you haven't created an account yet, then you can click on Sign Up link to create one. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Xoom account and you'll be using it for your own good.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.